Do you have a septic tank, cesspit, or sewage treatment plant? Understanding how these systems work and how to maintain them can save you time, money, and stress while keeping your property safe and compliant. A septic tank is an underground system used by properties not connected to main sewage. It collects wastewater, separates solids from liquids, and discharges partially treated water into a drainage field. Inside the tank, sludge settles at the bottom while scum rises to the top and the liquid effluent flows out. In the drainage field, aerobic bacteria naturally treat the water before it enters the soil, making septic tanks more sustainable than simple cesspit tanks. A cesspit, or cesspit tank, is a sealed underground container that only stores waste. Unlike septic tanks, cesspits don't treat effluent, so they fill quickly and require regular emptying. Sewage treatment plants are a modern upgrade to septic tanks. They are designed to treat wastewater with aerobic bacteria before releasing the treated water. This process produces clean effluent to at least Environment Agency standards, reducing environmental impact to almost nil. However, many treatment plants require a small electrical supply and require greater maintenance than septic tanks. All three systems require maintenance. Septic tanks and cesspits should be emptied at regular intervals, removing sludge and scum to prevent blockages and prolong tank life. Sewage treatment plants need more routine maintenance and service visits than septic tanks, typically every 3 to 6 months. While septic tanks are emptied more often, treatment plants are more susceptible to wear and tear due to their additional parts, like air pumps and filters. Regular inspections can be carried out by qualified drainage companies using infrared cameras to help identify cracks, leaks, or other faults. The 2020 General Binding Rules ensure septic tanks and sewage systems don't pollute rivers and streams. All tanks and drainage fields must meet British standards. Non-compliance can result in fines or environmental damage. Watch for gurgling pipes, slow-draining toilets, foul smells, or water pooling. These are signs that your tank may be blocked or your drainage field may be failing. Septic tanks are commonly installed for smaller applications, such as a few houses or small commercial premises that have space for a drainage field. Sewage treatment plants suit small and large households and commercial properties, or sites without drainage options. The additional cost associated with sewage treatment plants often outweigh any disadvantages due to higher installation costs and running costs. Cesspits are best for sites where no discharge is possible, storing waste safely but requiring frequent emptying. Keep your system safe with Metro Rod's pre-planned maintenance and free site survey. We handle septic tanks, blocked drains and repairs with 24/7 support. Call 0800 66 8800 or visit metrorod.co.uk.